Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. I'm pulling it from the Abibu's archive, and I want to show you guys how external influence impact socially and in other aspects of a given habitat. And let's use Lagos as a given habitat. Let's say we're talking about Lagos as an habitat and how its surrounding culture. We already know that Sakara genre is a mixture of Yoruba literary corpus. It has Hausa Fulani string instrument and some blend of style of singing in it. I want to show you guys how a Gold Coast culture also flowed into Lagos. Pre-colonial days. During the colonial era. Pre and during the colonial era, meaning before the independence, before the 1960, before October 1960 independence. Gold Coast have high life music and their traditional music too that were going on. But let's check this one out. This song, Habib sang it, Ẹgbẹ Ọmọlere. It's group, fraternity, sorority. So Ẹgbẹ group as in fraternity or sorority. This one is called Ẹgbẹ Ọmọlere. She for be saying they can't be pushed back. They are one of the leading group in Lagos at that time. But I want you guys to listen to the drum beat. So I'm gonna go with the lyrics first, then we'll visit the drum beat, and I want to show you guys how the Gold Coast influence seeped into Abibu song in this particular track. So we go with this. Tẹ̀dá ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ aṣọ tẹ̀dá ṣọ̀tẹ̀dá ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ aṣọ tẹ̀dá tí bùbá tẹ̀wọ̀ sọ́run aṣọ tẹ̀dá ò wá tẹ́tẹ́wẹ́wọ́ sẹ́sẹ́ ọmọlere ló jẹ́. Wọ́n torí wa wọ́n ṣọ̀rẹ́ pa, wọ́n torí wọn bí làjà lè bẹ́kùn ṣe. Torí wọn wọ́n ṣọ̀rẹ́ pa, ọ̀rẹ́ kí làjà lè bẹ́kùn ṣe. Wọn kì í ṣọmọ olùyà a kì í ṣọmọ olùṣí. ọmọlá ni wọ́n ẹ ò ní ṣe bòǹjẹ fẹ́ nìkan ẹni ṣe bòǹjẹ fẹ́ nìkan. What is bòǹjẹ? You guys remember I told you guys to be able to capture and get good grasp of the Sakara music, you have to get familiarized with literary corpus, you have to get familiarized with Yoruba proverbs, you have to get familiarized with the scene of what the snapshot of that habitat is they were operating at, and the context. So bonje is what Lagosian will call a sidekick, or someone that goes and they can't hold their own, so they'll go leveraging from the trickling drops from the guy that have made it, which then makes them to be an akisa. It could be used. Even though their age mate, and then you go, because he's counting on him. He on himself by himself is not worthy to stand on its own. So he's counting on that guy that is leveraging him. So you're back, call it bonje. Launch bonje. Báwo ni Jammal ọmọ kan ní wá rí ẹni, báwo ni gangan. So slippers yẹn tó bá ní ìdẹ̀mọ́ ṣé mo lè máa kó lọ. Starts from there. So you sell yourself cheap, and once you sell yourself cheap to another human being, it's hard and difficult to buy yourself back, to buy your dignity back. So only ọmọlá ni wọ́n, ọmọlá ni yín, ẹ ò ní ṣe bòǹjẹ fẹ́ni kankan. You will not be anybody's sidekick or errand boy. Ọkọ tó mọ̀ yá yìí, ọkọ tó mọ̀ yá yìí láyà ń fẹ́, aya tó mọ̀ yá yìí lọ́kọ ń fẹ́. A worthy husband, a worthy spouse is what a woman is yearning for. And a worthy wife is what a good man is yearning and looking for. Ọkọ tó mọ̀ yá yìí láyà ń fẹ́, aya tó mọ̀ yá yìí lọ́kọ ń fẹ́. Ẹ̀yin àwọn kì í ṣe ní àǹtẹ̀sùn. We need to address this. Ẹ̀yin àwọn kì í ṣe ní tàǹtẹ̀sùn. The shell, the back of the turtle, is not something you lay on like a mat to sleep, for sleeping. Because the hard shell is uncomfortable. Like I told you guys before, a lot of the later on talking drums beat were lyrics. So this is one of those. But sometimes people can easily confuse it and say, má fi sùn, àwọ̀ erin ní ṣe. But sometimes they will say, má fi sùn, ẹ̀yin ahun ní ṣe. Má fi sùn. So it sounds like má fi sùn, àwọ̀ erin ní ṣe, but it's má fi sùn, ẹ̀yin ahun kì í ṣe ní tàǹtẹ̀sùn. Ẹ̀yin ahun is shell of a turtle. Má fi sùn ẹ̀yìn àrùn kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ́ sùn o. It's not cost effective. It's not comfortable to do it. Àrùn kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ́ láyé. Ẹ̀yìn àrùn kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ́. Ẹgbẹ Ọmọlere, Ẹgbẹ Ọmọlere o, wọn ò ṣe fọwọ́ bì sẹ́yìn o. Wọn ò ṣe fọwọ́ bì sẹ́yìn. You can't push them back and say, it's not your turn. You guys are in the back. No, meaning they are premier group. They are first class group to be reckoned with. Ẹ̀yìn àrùn kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ̀sùn. Ẹgbẹ Ọmọlere, Ẹgbẹ Ọmọlere o, wọn ò ṣe fọwọ́ bì sẹ́yìn o. Ẹ̀yìn àrùn kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ́ láyé. Ẹ̀yìn àrùn kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ́ sùn o. You see, later on, Sakara, they recycled that line too. Let's go. Kì í ṣe ní à ń tẹ́. Ọmọlere ṣe fọwọ́ bì sẹ́yìn o. Okay, let's do the drum. Mimi Lola Adebayo is a bad man. He's an awesome drummer. So we go. Bọbọ, Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọ, aya bọnsuwe. Abo, bọnsuwe. Bọnsuwe, bọnsuwe. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọ, 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 bọnsuwe. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọ, bọnsuwe. Bọnsuwe. Oúnjẹ fẹ́fẹ́ nìkan. Suwe. Bọnsuwe. 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 Abo. Bọnsuwe. Bọnsuwe. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. Bọnsuwe. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. 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 That's tapa. Keji kodo, iri kodo, keji kodo, keji kodo, bọnsuwe. So culture blends. So human culture is permeable. They float into each other. So the music of Gold Coast, bọnsuwe, aya bọnsuwe, bọnsuwe, bọnsuwe. You see some of those. You see it in some highlife music. Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe. That's what it beat mostly there. Then he ended up with the Igunuko line. Later on, when Kasumu will beat that, sometimes he will follow it up with La Tajabala ino ajalingbe. But here, Mimi will just Bọbọ, aya bọnsuwe, bọnsuwe. Bọnsuwe, bọnsuwe. Don't forget your do re mis. Leave your comment. Now you know. Music is semi-permeable at minimum. So the flow. Ẹ̀yìn ahun kì í ṣe ẹni tí à ń tẹ̀sùn. Ẹ̀yìn ahun kì í ṣe ẹni tí à ń tẹ̀sùn. Don't put yourself in a precarious situation. They'll make you uncomfortable. Uncomfortable living is not a good living. Ẹ̀yìn ahun kì í ṣe ẹni tí à ń tẹ̀sùn. Má lọ há rẹ̀. Remain blessed. Leave comment. I'll check it out. Now you know nobody has monopoly over music. Even the Gold Coast sip into the Yoruba Sakara music. You guys remain blessed.